Okay, hello and welcome to another home bodyweight workout video. In this one I'm going to do a back workout using a common chair here. And the chair can function as two levels of exercise, two different exercises, okay? I'm going to do one with the top of the chair here. I'm going to work my back with the top of the chair at this angle, switch it around, and then you do back exercise with a different angle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this one, okay? Just lock my feet together, and then, put my hands about shoulder width and come up. Okay, and you can vary your footing position to vary the angle. Just make sure you're looking up, okay, to add, to keep the correct form, to have the correct form. Okay, and get a full range of motion. Breathe normally as you're doing them. Okay. Keep your body straight. Okay, this is just using an ordinary chair to do these, okay? Then, chair around. Okay, like so. And then just put your feet out again. And then just lift up. Okay. All right, and then switch back. Okay, and then go to work on this one. One more time. Just make sure to keep your feet in the same position as you did originally. Look up at the ceiling. Okay. It's already getting pretty challenging. Fix the door. Okay, and that gets pretty challenging when you're doing them at the same time. So I'm going to take a quick breather. All right, just to give my muscles short opportunity to rest. Let's go back right into it. All right. And this way. Okay. Hands again, shoulder width, a little bit wider. Okay. Whew. It's pretty you're jumping the back and forth. Pretty challenging pretty quickly. Okay. My muscles a quick chance to rest. Give a quick flex. Already feeling pretty tight. Okay, quick flex, right back into it. Okay. Yeah, when you go back and forth between sets like this, it really gets exhausting early. Your muscles really feel your points quickly. Whew. All right, let's see what we can do. See what we can do with this one. All right, look up at the ceiling. Yeah, I'm really feeling the failure points there. All right, so I'm going to give another quickie rest here, just to give my muscles a chance to rest a little bit. All right, and one more time. Ah, all right. Whew. All right. Okay. Do the higher angle. Okay, so I've pretty much reached the failure point there. One of the terminal failure points. I'm just going to give it a quick flex. When you go back and forth between exercises, where you really different angles, different angled exercises using the same muscle groups, whew, boy, it's you reach a points of failure quickly, very quickly. All right, so I'm just going to give a quick flex. Go back here. Undo a couple more of these. Just make sure you're looking up at the ceiling and be in control of the motion. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. And another one quickly here. Right. Oh. All right. Whew. And that is exhausting. All right, so we're going to reach the terminal failure point. So bring the chair forward here, and what I'm doing is I'm just trying to complete 2 exercises. It's pretty much simultaneously, or at least successively, one after the other. And what that accomplishes is just it targets the muscles from different areas, and it allows it just gives you more challenge. It gives the muscles more challenge, more different levels of difficulty. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and there are lots of variations you can do in a bodyweight program. So that's a good example, just using a common chair or a common piece of furniture or implement to do 2 angles at the same time, which adds an extra level of difficulty to your workout, and really gives you a nice little pump, and very quickly in only a few short minutes. All right, so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Remember to stay strong and keep motivated. Thank you, and see you next time.